information and how to check the system model of your laptop. So one of the methods that you can use to find your system model and BIOS version and date. You may need to update your BIOS version. For that you may need which BIOS version is currently installed in your computer, and you may also need the system model name. Our system is ASUS, is using vivobook 15 laptop X540UAR, and the BIOS version you could right now, you can see it here, that is 306 23/8/2019 is the date. So this is one of the method to check the BIOS version and date. Again, I will show how to get to this system information page. For that you have to type system in this search bar. You could see it here, system. Okay, system information app. I have typed system and we have got a system information app, and we have to open this. So system information page is opened. You are getting all the information of this computer, this laptop: OS name, OS version, system name, system model, type, everything. Windows 10 64 bits based PC, Intel Core i3, everything. Processor speed, everything is given, and BIOS version and date is provided here. It's 306/23/8/2019. All sort of information you could find it in the system information. This is one of the method to find your BIOS version and date. Now you can also check this BIOS information using some other methods. So you may be known of this BIOS utility. BIOS utility informations will be provided in the BIOS utility EZ mode. And also you can find using my ASUS. And I will show you another method apart from this other two methods what I have told here, that is my ASUS and BIOS utility EZ mode. BIOS utility Okay, now we also want a keyword to execute our second method. For that we have to get the keyword, that is dxdag. You can get it from internet, you can get from other reliable source which give information about accessing the version of BIOS which is used. Anyway, in this search bar I'm just typing caps D. Okay, I'm typing here caps D and small x, it should be small x, and DIAG, dxdag. You can see it here clearly, dxdag run command. D for direct, X diagnostic is the abbreviation of this keyword. You could find it here, dxdag, and we have to go for the open option here. So you will get this DirectX diagnostic tool. This is open here. So now you are seeing it here, the DirectX diagnostic tool. So as you can see here, get it, operating system, Windows 10, home, single language, 64-bit, everything is provided. Also you can find here BIOS versions given as 306. This is the DirectX diagnostic tool. That's why we have gone for DXDiag. It's a short of DirectX diagnostic tool, and it's giving the information, version information of BIOS installed in this laptop as 306, same 306 version, also the computer version and computer model, system model name vivobook 15 ASUS laptop X540UAR. And also we could find the DirectX versions DirectX 12. These are the information given here. This is the next method. So we have completed this method, have to find the BIOS information and system model by typing the keyword DirectX diagnostic. So it's finished. So the next is how you will check it through BIOS utility mode. BIOS flash utility mode. How you will access that BIOS utility mode. Now we try to access the BIOS utility mode. For that we have to hit the start button and we have to go for the settings. This will take not much time, but it will have to restart twice in order to get to access this BIOS utility mode. For that you can have the selections going around here, system, accounts, you can have time, language, and I am trying to bring you to this update and security option. Just press the update and security option and make your selections from the left. You have a couple of selections over here. From here you have to go for troubleshoot, recovery, activation, etc. is there. You have to go for recovery. So you can find it here, recovery option, and I am clicking on the recovery option. Okay, now we have the BIOS utility mode. It's open in the laptop. You can find it here. You can find many details what we have already gone through, the system information and also DX diagnostic tool. There also we have find this sort of informations, and to confirm it again you have the ASUS BIOS utility mode as given the system informations, LCD informations, hardware monitor, property and boot priority, storage informations, you get it, and battery is primary 96-98% is shown as the battery charge. So where you have to go now is here, system. There you are finding all the options about BIOS version, that is BIOS version 306 is installed, and rest information is also given here. So again we confirmed, again we find, and again we are able to confirm the BIOS version. It is 306 currently installed in this laptop. This is the ASUS BIOS utility easy mode. So again what we have to do next is we have to go to the next option, that is here, advanced mode. You have to just click on the advanced mode and you have to wait again. You can find it again here. We have sort of selections like advanced boot, security, save and exit. So here you can find again the BIOS version is given as 306. This is it. I will bring close to it. BIOS vendor, American Megatrons, and versions given as 306. Again if you go to this advanced option, and after advanced option you have to go for ASUS EZ Flash 3 utility. This option, you have a couple of options in the advanced. I will give all this view to my mobile. Okay, you can watch it, all the informations are given here. Get it. This is enabled, disabled, nothing you have to do there. You should not do anything over there. If you do something out there, you should not save it. But anyway, here you can find ASUS EZ Flash 3 utility. Just this is in the advanced mode of BIOS utility. Advanced mode is given here, and then you have to go for selection of ASUS EZ Flash 3 utility. Just click and you can again find it here. Model is given here and the version is given here, 306. Again you could find it here, 306. This is the BIOS version currently installed in this computer. After you have seen it, after you have accessed the BIOS utility advanced mode, just go for exit. Exit, and we will have two options, that is, do you want to leave easy flash 3? Just go for yes. Okay, now be careful, you have to go for the option like save and exit. Here this is save and exit. There you have to go for discard, change and exit, because if at all you have changed, you don't want to save it as it is, because our intention is just to get the information about the BIOS version installed in this laptop. So discard changes and exit, quit without saving, that's all. Okay, so it's done.